Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with safety and access. Chalk the opposite wheel and raise the trailer, then place jack stands under the frame. Once stable, remove the wheel and set lug nuts where you can find them. Next, pry out the dust cap so you can access the spindle, then straighten and remove the cotter pin and back off the spindle nut several turns so the hub can later slide free. These immediate actions expose the hub assembly for the next steps. With the nut loosened, grasp the hub and slide it straight off the spindle while supporting its weight so bearings don't fall and get damaged. Once free, remove the outer bearing, then the grease seal, and finally the inner bearing. Keep parts organized and clean. Inspect bearings and races for pitting, discoloration, or scoring. If you find damage, replace both bearings and races. Clean the hub and spindle in solvent and dry thoroughly so you can accurately assess wear and prepare for reassembly. Repack bearings with fresh grease or install new bearings and a new seal. This restores lubrication and prevents overheating. Once done, slide the hub onto the spindle, tighten the spindle nut while rotating the hub to seat bearings, then back off slightly and set the correct preload before installing a new cotter pin to lock the nut. Replace the dust cap and wheel, torque lug nuts to spec, then lower the trailer and perform a slow test roll to check for play and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.